Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by launching Ryujinx with the game loaded and your controller connected. Once done, confirm the emulator version and required keys are present so macros run reliably. Next, open Input Settings and create or select a controller profile that matches the pad you'll automate. Then go straight into the Auto Macro panel and make a new macro file. Name it clearly, because clear names prevent mistakes later. This gets you ready to record actions without delays. Now you record the exact sequence. Hit record, perform the inputs precisely, and stop when finished. Make sure to edit timings, insert or remove delays so inputs match the game's response windows, because timing errors break long sequences. Use small loop tests to validate behavior and adjust repeat counts until stable. Once satisfied, bind the macro to a physical button or enable auto start for sessions. This ensures the macro executes predictably and prevents to finish, execute the macro in a safe in-game area and observe every cycle to confirm correct timing and inputs. If you see missed presses or wrong directions, pause and increase delays slightly, verify Ryujinx window has focus, and recheck controller mapping. Mismapped axes are a common cause. If problems persist, reload the macro, test single actions, and consult logs for dropped frames. Finally, save backup copies of working macro files so you can restore a known good configuration quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.